Hello everyone, myself Alok Kumar. I am assistant professor in Government College of Engineering, Dharmapuri. So here we will see example of SLR parsing. So here we can see here one grammar we are taking. These are the production rules. E is generating E plus T and E is generating T. T is generating T in T asterisk F and T is generating F. F is generating this opening parenthesis E, closing parenthesis, and one more production rule, F is generating ID. So these are the production rules initially we are taking, and here what we will do here, we will construct one SLR parsing the table, parsing table we will construct, and we will check whether the string is accepted by the SLR parsing or not. Okay, so with the help of one example we will see. So here we are checking these are the taking these are the production rules. So here what we are going to do, here we are assigning initially here numbering, like here E equals to E plus T. So first, second, third, fourth, 5, 6. So totally 6 production rules are there. So we have assigned these 6 numbers. Okay, these 6 numbers we will use when we will do reduce. Okay, when we will do action as reduce. Okay. So here we can see first step we are going to do. This one is convert given grammar into augmented grammar. Okay, so what we are going to do here in this, whatever grammar is there, whatever these production rules are there, initially E is the starting symbol. So here we are taking new starting symbol, that is E dash. Okay, E dash is generating E and remaining these are the production rules that we have taken. Okay, so only this E dash is generating E. New starting symbol we have taken and we are saying this one as augmented grammar. Okay. After that, here what we are going to do, here we will construct LR0 items. Okay, or we can say we are going to find LR0 items. So initially I0 we will start from I0. So here what we are going to do here, all these this one is augmented grammar. Here all these are the production rules. So here what we are going to do, E dash is generating, here we will keep here dot. Okay, dot E. Okay, for all that production rules in that augmented grammar, initial we will start from here dot E. After that this E dot E means this non-terminal is there, so here we will do closure of E. Okay, closure of E will be dot E plus T. Okay, again this closure of E will be E is generating dot T. Okay, now this new non-terminal, that is T, and after dot it is coming, so here we will find a closure of T. So that will be dot T asterisk F. Okay, after that T is generating dot F. Now here this F is new non-terminal, so that is coming after dot. So here that we will find the closure of F. So here it will be dot opening parenthesis E and closing parenthesis, and this will be F is generating dot ID. So this one is I0 item. Okay, I0. Now what we are going to do, here we will find the go to. Okay, go to of I0 comma E. Okay, how we are going to do this one, I1 and this one is E dash is generating E and dot. Dot will move 1. Okay, next. So it will be like this manner, and another this one E is generating, because here we have taken go to, we are finding I0 comma E for I0 and this E non-terminal. So E is generating E dot plus T. Here dot is moving further. Okay, so this one we have seen for E. Now like this manner we will see for T. I0 T, this one will be E is generating T dot and T will be T dot asterisk F. So this one will be I2. Okay, like this manner for I0 F we will see. So here it will be T F dot. Okay, after that we will find for this I0 comma opening parenthesis. So here it will be F is generating opening parenthesis dot E closing parenthesis. So here dot E is coming. So here we will find the closure of E. So it will be dot E plus T. After that E will be dot T. Here we will find the closure of T. It will be like this manner. T is generating dot T asterisk F. T will be generating dot F, and after that here we will find closure of F. So that will be F is generating dot opening parenthesis, E closing parenthesis, and F is generating dot ID. So this one will be I4 item. So like this manner we will find for I0 ID, this go to we will find, so that will be I5 item, so that will be F is generating ID. Okay, after that here we will find go to, and that is I1 plus. Here because we will find means the dot we will have to keep at last, like this it is coming, so here also like this one we will move, and until we are a dot is coming at last, up to the time we will find go to. Okay, so here you can see I1 plus, so this plus, after that a dot is coming, so here T closure we will find like this manner, so T, after that we will find closure of F, so this one will be I6 item. Okay, after that we will find the go to of I2, and this one is asterisk because dot is coming before asterisk, so here it will come. After that here we will find the closure of F, so it will be like this manner. Okay, so here this one is already coming at last in I3, so no need to take this one. Here I4, so dot E is coming, so E dot, here we, for that we have taken go to I4 comma E, so it will be opening parenthesis E dot closing parenthesis. After that here E, this one will be E dot plus T. Okay, because we have taken I go to for I4 comma E, so this one is go to I4 comma T, so it will be E is generating T dot, and T will be generating T dot asterisk F. Okay, this one we have found go to for I4 comma T, like this manner, go to I4 comma F, it will be T is generating F dot. So this one already we have found, so this one we will say as I3 item. Okay, now this one is go to I4 comma this opening parenthesis dot E and closing, so this one is closure of E, and after that closure of T, after that closure of F. Okay, so these item already we have found, that is I4. Okay, after that here we will come, this one is go to I4 comma ID, this one is F ID, this one already we have found I5 item, so we are going to keep this one as it is. Okay, after that this go to we are finding for I6 comma T, this one is, so E plus T dot it will become, after that T will become T dot asterisk F. Okay, this one we will say as I9 item, because here all these are new. After that go to I6 comma F we will find, so that will be T is generating F dot, so that already we have found, so that is I3. After that like this manner we will find go to I6 comma opening parenthesis, so that will be F is generating this opening parenthesis dot E closing parenthesis. This one already we have found, and E closure we will find after T and F, so that will be same as I4. Okay, after that we will find go to I6 comma ID. Okay, after this one will be F is generating ID dot. Okay, so this one we are saying that I5 because already we have found. Now go to I7 comma F, that will be I10, that is T is generating T asterisk F dot, this one, because here we have to keep this one at last, so this one is I10 item. After that go to I7 comma close opening parenthesis, so this one will be this one, so here again we are going to find, so this one is already I4 we have found. After that this I7 comma ID, I7, so IF ID dash ID dot, so this one will be already I5 we have found. After that this one is I8 comma closing parenthesis, this one is I11, that item will be F is generating, here you can see that dot is coming at last. Okay, after that plus we will find, so plus dot, and T closure we will find, and PF closure we will find, so that already we have found, that is I6 item. Okay, after that this one we will find go to I9 comma asterisk, so that one will be I7 item, that we have already found. Now when we will check, no other production rule will be there in that dot is not coming at last. Okay, so we have seen all. So based on this one we will construct one parsing table using these LR0 items. So how we are going to construct this one we will see. Here we will write all the I0 that items. Okay, and here action and go to. Okay, for actions we will write here all the terminal symbol including dollar. Okay, and go to, here we will keep all the non-terminals. So initially we are going to start from I0. So I0, when we will see this one at a time, this here opening parenthesis and ID, these are for I naught. Okay, here we will see. So at the time when we will check, this one is here, you can see this one is ID dot. Okay, this one is, so here I5, so because of this one here we will keep S5. Okay, after that this one is opening parenthesis and dot is coming after opening parenthesis, so because of this one we will keep here S4. Okay, in I naught at this time. After that these non-terminal, because of this I naught, E is there, here dot is coming at last, here T is coming dot last, here F is coming. So at T, E, T, F we will keep here 1 2 3 because of these items 1 2 3. So like this manner I0 entry we have completed. Now I1 entry we will do. So I1 entry, how we are going to do, here we will check, this one is plus. So at plus here we will keep as S6. You can see here S6 we have kept, and this one you can see here, like this one is at I1, here E is coming at last because this one is starting symbol. So this one is first production rule. So this, because of this one here it will be accepted like this manner at under dollar. Okay, so here we can see no non-terminal is there in I1. So here we will move for I2. Okay, so in I2 you can see here these are the terminals asterisk only. So here S7 we will keep. So S7 we are going to keep in this one, and after that we will see reduction. So where reduction is coming, that also we have to see in I2. Okay, so when we are going to see in I2, here at the time you can see this one is E is generating T dot. Okay, so T dot, so that is here you can see E is generating T dot, that is 2. Okay, second production rule is there in this one. So because of this one, and we will find the follow of that E also, because after E dot is coming. So here that is dollar closing parenthesis plus. So at the time we will keep R2 R2 R2, these reduction because of this. I3 also we will see here I3, when we are going to see here F dot is coming. So here we will check F, this one is 4. So R4 we will keep, and where we will keep, where follow. So at all these places we will keep R4. Like this manner we will complete this table. So at last here we can see this one is I10. So in I10 also you can see here this one is F dot. So okay, so this one production rule we will see here, this one is 3. So R3 we will keep, and where we will keep, under all these. So you can see all these are 3. I11 also we will see here I11. This one is I11. You can see this one. Okay, so here we will see this one, this production rule, where this one is 5. So R5 we will keep, where R5 you can see all these we have kept like this manner. So R5 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 R5. Okay, so like this manner we are going to complete this parsing table. Okay, now we will see here one example, and based on this one we will parse this string. Suppose the string is id plus id into id, where we will check whether that string is accepted by the parser or not. So here we are starting from initial state, that is 0. You can see here 0, and last state is 11. Okay, so here 0, and this one we are taking w dollar string. So here what we are doing, 0 and id we will see here, 0 at id, here this one is S5. So we will do shift. So when we are going to shift id and 5, that S5, so 5 is coming. After that here what we are going to do, I5, and we will see at plus. So here R6 is there, so we will reduce that F over id. So here id will be replaced by F. Okay, so F plus, when we will see at the time, that is S3. So that 3 will come. So because of that here we have done this one. So after that we will check I3 with plus. So here reduction R4 is there, so we will reducing this F, we are replacing by T. So like this manner we will do, and at last, like here you can see this one is coming 0E1 plus 6T9, and here dollar, and here I6 we will see this one we have seen. So at a time here 9 is coming, less 9, so because of that 9 we have kept. Now I9 we will see dollar, so here reduction R1 is there in that table. Okay, so this one is R1 is there, so because of this one we are going to reduce. So we will reduce, E is generating E plus T, so E plus T will reduce by TE. So E we are keeping, E dollar we will see go to, at the time 1 is coming, so here 1 we will keep here. After that go to I1 and dollar we will see that is accept. So here because of this one we can see the string is accepted by the SLR parser. Okay, so like this manner we have seen SLR parsing, how string is going to accept by the SLR parser. Thank you.